Roads are critical to economic growth and development. L&T IDPL is one of India's largest road infrastructure developers. Its portfolio includes 19 road projects, 2 ports, the Hyderabad Metro Rail project, a power transmission line project and a wind energy project. L&T IDPL is a subsidiary of Larsen & Toubro Limited, which is a $14 billion technology, engineering, construction, manufacturing and financial services conglomerate with global operations. It is also one of India's largest and most respected private sector companies. Critical to operating and maintaining roads built on the development model are the toll systems. L&T IDPL has put in place proven toll systems that have transformed Indian roads into valuable economic assets. Thanks to a robust process exclusively designed for toll collection, the road user can conveniently pay through multiple modes like cash, smart card and RFID. L&T IDPL's automatic vehicle classifier system accurately classifies different types of vehicles such as cars, LCVs, trucks and multi-axle vehicles. The system can process up to 200 cash transactions, 400 smart card transactions and 1000 RFID transactions per toll lane per hour. All transactions are sent for processing to the central database only if the vehicle classification entered by the toll collector matches with the vehicle classification done by the automatic vehicle classifier. The entire toll collection operation, which is managed in shifts, is controlled by a supervisor from the toll control room. The end of the shift document provides complete details of all transactions, including violations, exempts and discrepancies, along with over and under classification, over and under declaration and associated toll collector debit. The cashier goes to the toll booths at every 2-hour intervals and collects the toll cash collected up to that time along with the float money and brings it to the cash up room. He then enters the cash details into the cash up system and prepares a shift collection money bag with a unique bag seal number which is opened only at the time of banking. The shift collection money bags are handed over to the agency appointed by the bank for cash collection from the toll plaza for banking. L&T IDPL has achieved 100% efficiency in toll collection due to the technological systems and processes put in place by the Operations and Maintenance Department of L&T IDPL, which is an in-house team of dedicated professionals who manage the toll systems for all L&T IDPL road projects pan-India. We were the first roads developer to realize the importance of having an exclusive operations and maintenance team to help maintain our road assets to look and function like they were built yesterday. All L&T IDPL toll plazas are equipped with a point-of-sale area to service the needs of the road users for issuance, topping up and management of smart cards and radio frequency identification tags. Exclusive areas have been earmarked for toll operations, route and rescue operations and maintenance activities. In addition, cafeteria, open spaces, rewards and recognition programs, piped music and landscaped areas provide a unique experience for the people working at our toll plazas. Being committed to elevating the standard of the locations where our projects exist is an intrinsic part of the organization's culture. Hence, L&T IDPL not only recruits people from the local surroundings but also conducts various social activities like health and dental checkup camps, safety awareness programs and training workshops from time to time. L&T IDPL, with its strong asset portfolio of toll roads, is uniquely positioned to capitalize upon the unfolding opportunities in the Indian infrastructure sector with a unique blend of brand equity, sound leadership and a dedicated workforce.